Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Haseen Khan and I am an automation tester. So today I am excited to talk about the powerful quality assurance test automation tool Robonito. If you have interested in making your software testing more efficient and effective, so then stay tuned. So what is Robonito? So what exactly is Robonito? Well, Robonito is a high efficiency and reliable test automation tool designed to streamline and enhance the testing phase of software development. With it is a user friendly interface and comprehensive documentation. It is accessibility to both experienced and tester and beginner. Robonito offer powerful feature like test case management, test data and defect tracking. These capability help ensure accurate and reliable test result, saving both time and effort in the QA process. To install Robonito. So now you are ready to experience the benefit of Robonito. Let me quickly show how to install and just follow this simple step. Firstly, go to the website. And install the exe, and after install the exe, run the installer and double click on the installer file and follow the instruction and click and run anyways. And after that, so you can choose the location only for me, yeah, anyone. So I'm going to next step, install. Complete the installation and let the process finish and then launch the software. After successful installation, you can create your account and explore the amazing feature on Robonito as to offer. So it is the open Robonito. So now you can see here the user interface of Robonito, and you can create your account, name Haseen, email haseen23@yahoo.com. You can set password and click on sign up. And after that, you have to verify your account. So go to the yahoo.com, search Haseen. Now you can see here you have received the email from Robonito, and you can click on this. So your account is verified. After that, you can log in it yahoo.com and password is you can enter the password and click on the login. And now you can see here the welcome page. You can claim the $100 is free. In this video you learn what is Robonito and how to install it. And that's all for today's video. And if you have found this information helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share this video, and also subscribe the channel and more content and software testing and automation tool. Thank you for watching. See you next video.